Hey, what's going on with this guy?
I don't know. He came in here.
Hey, can you hold this door open?
Yes,
More police
please.
are coming.
1393.
Go ahead.
There's no answer at the call of business.
Hold that door open. Hold that door open. 10-4.
He went that way.
Units didn't come in. Can you step it up? Hey!
Inconvenience.
Hey! Hey, drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it. Drop it. Drop it. On the ground. Get back! Hey, drop. Hey. Hey. Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. One at taser point.
Oh my God.
Hey, drop it. I got one at taser point. Step it up. We'll be in the front lobby. Drop it.
Subject in the front lobby.
Yes.
Step it up.
I'm not leaving here without my lady. Where is she?
Step it up.
Where's my?
Drop it.
Dude, I just want my wife, man. I just want.
Listen, man.
I don't want to.
Taser up one. Taser. Hey. Hey, right here. He's right here.
Come on.
Get him out.
Come here. He's on the other side. Oh shit.
Shots fired.
Attention all Irish units. We're going to St. Charles.
Drop it! Get him over.
North Avenue in St. Charles. Attention all
Get him over.
special attention St. Charles units. Traffic dispatching a shots fired at 975 Northwest Avenue. We're going to St. Charles. Responding yes, acknowledge on EPA.
We got that. Come on. Watch out. Move your. Hey, get out of here. Come on, buddy. Come here.
Gotcha.
Roll medics.